So guys, let's go straight to our profile where we can change the date of birth that we have presently on our profile that is not compatible, that is not the same with what you have on your NIN and what you have on your tax identification number. So for you to do that, if you are having a different date of birth on your profile and you are having another date of birth on your tax identification number, all you need to do is to first of all make it right. Make it right in the sense that you need to correct it before you do your monetization setup. In short, make sure you correct it first, probably before you are being given the monetization setup, so that you won't forget. Because by the time you are given the monetization setup and you want to correct it, then it will be hard, or you forgot and you just go ahead to input the details just like that. Once you click on it, it will take you down to this place. Then here you come down to where we have post, about, reels, photos and events. You click on this about. Once you click on this about, it will take you down to this particular place. Then you scroll and you are going to see your about info. Here, just click on this, you'll see your about info. It will take you straight down to this place. Just scroll up. At this spot you can edit your date of birth. You see basic info. Here you will see your gender, your date of birth and your language. So all you need to do is to click on this pencil here at the front of that date of birth. Allow it to load up. You are going to have this interface where it's showing your date of birth, which is your month and your day and your year. Then all you need to do is to edit what you have here. So if you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, kindly like this video. And should in case you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you might be wondering, who is this? I am Rafiu Deborah, the brain behind Sholadrem 247, your business registration expert. For any kind of business, feel free to reach out to me. Either your CAC registration, your SCOM registration, your SMEDAN registration, your tax identification number and your trademark, feel free to reach out to me using the link in the description box. Thank you, and let's continue. So once it loads up, you can see what it wrote here. It says edit birthday. You can edit your birthday in account center and change privacy settings here. Do you see that? You can edit it in account center. Click on this account center and it will take you down to this place. Where you have access to be able to edit that date of birth. Then all you need to do is to change it to the present one that you have on your individual tax identification number. So once you click on it, it will bring out this box for you, and you swipe right, swipe left to choose the date you want to fix there. Then you click on set. Once you click on set, you can see it changes like this. Then the next thing is for you to click on save, and it will load up and come up to this place to ask if you truly want to change it, and make sure if you are changing it for good to the real and confirmed date of birth that you have face of your screen. So if yes, you click on continue. So make sure you are changing it for good and to the correct one at once, because you might not be given the access to change this so quickly again. So before doing this, make sure you already decide, okay, I want to input my correct details. So try as much as possible to do it once and for all. Then you click on confirm and it will confirm it for you once it loads up. This birthday is used for account and profile in this account center. Any changes you make will apply to all of them, which means if you have 50 pages that you are running under this profile, or you have one page or two or three pages that are running under your profile, it will be carrying this same date of birth. That is what that Wednesday means. Hope you understand. Then it will take you to this place where you will confirm the date that you have changed. Then the next thing is for you to click on save. Once you click on save, you will be having this interface, and that shows that you have successfully completed your change of date of birth from your Facebook profile. If you always find it hard to post consistently, check out this video on your screen and learn how you can post without being exhausted each day. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more educational videos, and also share to friends and family who might also need to know this, so as for them not to lose their monetization. I will see you in the next video.